Welcome back to Tea and Coffee Explorers. Today we're diving into the rich world of Spanish coffee with a beloved classic, Café Con Leche. Let's get started. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of strong brewed coffee, 1 cup of milk, and sugar to taste. Brew a robust coffee, preferably using dark roast beans. Next, heat your milk. You can do this on the stove or in the microwave, just don't let it boil. Now here's the key. The ratio is important. Use equal parts, 1 part coffee to 1 part milk. Once your coffee is ready and the milk is warm, it's time to mix. Pour the coffee into your favorite mug, then add the warm milk. For sweetness, add sugar to your liking. Stir well, and there you have it. A perfect Café Con Leche. Looking to enhance your coffee or tea experience? Visit our affiliated links for recommended products and exclusive deals. Join us next time on Tea and Coffee Explorers for more delightful recipes.